Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, in Yoruba culture we have something called the Akigbe Oba. So that Akigbe Oba is sort of like a town crier. So if the king in a settlement has something to announce, this guy will go around beating like some sort of rattle thing, some sort of iron thing, to draw attention and then make that announcement, and he'll be going around the whole community just continuing banging and then making the announcement. So now anytime I read a comment from Fani-Kayode or Reno Mokri, people of that ilk, I immediately put my mind to a setting of some sort of like commentary coming from an Akigbe Oba sort of element. So this now town crier pipes up again, as guys I bring you this. Magu's probe targeted at Tinubu Osinbajo. So this is a headline attributed to Fani-Kayode. So now, of course, Fani-Kayode, I mean, I don't really need any further introductions. You all know what he is. It's just like a rent a quote. This is somebody that would have an opinion on how grass grows and everything. So again, the headline, Magu's probe targeted at Tinubu Osinbajo, a headline attributed to Fani-Kayode. So now let's now see what Femo's take on this whole saga is. A former Minister of Aviation, Fani-Kayode, says the probe of suspended acting chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, Ibrahim Magu, is targeted at Vice President Yemi Osinbajo and All Progressive Congress leader Bola Tinubu for the last 4 years. Fani-Kayode said this in a Facebook post on Sunday whilst reacting to the probe of Magu. The former minister said Magu has been serving the interest of Osinbajo and Tinubu for the last 4 years. He wrote, "What is happening to Magu today was planned years ago. The real target is not Magu, but those he worked for and protected for the last 4 years. He never worked for Buhari. He worked for Tinubu and Osinbajo. When they finish crushing him, they will move against the two godfathers." Magu, who has been detained for nearly a week, is being probed by a presidential panel led by a former president of the Court of Appeal, Justice Ayo Salami, retired. During the week, there were allegations that Magu told the panel that he gave Osinbajo 4 billion naira. The vice president has, however, denied the allegations. Also, there have been reports that some allies of the president are out to frustrate the purported presidential ambition of Tinubu ahead of 2023. So this is the cut and thrust of it, because of course it is Fani-Kayode speaking, so you might want to put that in the background as you digest the narrative, the story. But then what he is suggesting in effect is that Magu was Osinbajo and Tinubu's agent, and that's a bit far-fetched for me, by the way, because Buhari went through tooth and nail to install that guy in that post. So I'm not quite sure how somebody like Magu will be serving the interest of somebody like Tinubu or Osinbajo. I can't really see how that is the case. But then, of course, in Fani-Kayode's high mind, maybe, of course, his IQ is the best in the world, so maybe it's the blue sky thinking that I can't reach. So if you can reach that level of thinking though, then come break it down to my level for me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all three, then come tell me what you're making of what Femo has just piped up in the public space to announce. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.